this shit stuff takes a long time to dry. Hey YouTube. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all how to put on fake eyelashes like a pro.
Brown skin face pretty like awa. I be limited edition body attire proper. Me irregular them come on like a vanilla. Sweet honey them a bit of vinegar. Me sit down when it's sitting stand firm. Should be down in a...
Okay, so the lashes that we're gonna be using today are from a small black-owned business called Kairos Kollection. These are, excuse my nails, please. So yeah, this is the packaging that the lashes come in. So we're just gonna open them up. And this is what it looks like outside of the box. I need to pull this out so y'all can see the lashes. So these are the lashes. I've already worn these, so it's kind of like, you know, this is not really how it came in the case, but yeah. So that's the packaging, the lashes. And these are called Honey. Yeah, so as y'all know, this is my business, and these are actually my favorite ones out of the ones that I sell, so that's why I want to show y'all these. So what you need to put on your lashes, you're gonna need the bag of wonders. Okay, so the bag of wonders has everything that I need. It has my tweezers, my mascara, which I don't even use, but it's in here, scissors, this face to brush my eyebrows, lash glue. All right, and then your tweezers. So we're just gonna put this to the side because all we need from the bag of wonders is lash glue and the tweezers. So this is my favorite glue. This glue works the best to me, but there's nothing in here, so I'm gonna have to use this, which is also a pretty good glue. But the duo glue just, I feel like it holds better and it doesn't take as long to dry. But yeah, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna take your lashes out and do it very carefully. When they're new lashes, it's kind of harder to take off, but I've already worn these, so I could just easily take it off. And you're gonna have your lashes. Zoom in a little bit. Have your lashes, your glue, and you're just gonna wanna put it along here. Just paint it on basically. So it's gonna look like this. And you're just gonna set that to the side. And you're gonna get the next lash. And you're gonna do the same thing. And I really just do one layer. Like, you don't need to, like, you know, you are installing a lace, you want to do like 2 or 3 layers, but when you're doing lashes, you only need to put on like 1 layer and just let that dry. So the glue is on the lashes. We're just gonna give it a little shake, hey. Just let it dry, you know. Give it a blow. Okay, so this is what you want it to look like. When the glue dries, it's gonna turn white. It's gonna go from white to clear. So I kind of wait until mine just like almost clear, but not all the way, because once it's like all the way clear, you only got like one attempt to put on the lashes. Like, you put it on and it's stuck there. If you wait till it's like somewhat clear, but still a little bit, you can still see it, I feel like that's when it's perfect, because you have room to kind of make mistakes. So with lashes, people put on their lashes with their eyes closed, but I can't do that. I put my lashes on with them open. So yeah, just gonna put it like above your eye a little bit, like that. And then you see how it's kind of messed up, right? So now that's when the tweezers come in play. So you're gonna take the tweezers and just move it around and fix it. And this is also kind of why you don't want it to be 100% dry, because you won't be able to use your tweezers and move it around. Okay, so once it's kind of in a place that you want it, you're just gonna pinch the lashes onto your eye like the top and the bottom, like literally pinch it, and then you kind of have a lash. And like while it's still kind of drying, I like to go and just, you know, touch up, you know. So voila, and we look crazy because we only have on one lash, but yeah, about to see how to go from 0 to 100. Let me stop. We're not zeros, we're already hundreds, period. Okay, so here's the next one, and this shit's still not dry, but it's okay. Let me stop trying to dance. I can't even dance. I don't know why I'm doing that. My friends think I could dance, but I can't. I could twerk when I'm ready, but I can't dance. Y'all look how crazy I look. Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna blow dry it again.
So you're gonna want to put it like right above your lash line. Not directly on your lash line, you don't want like your lashes to come off or whatever. So just like right above. Then once you got it in there, crease it. Take your tweezers and just fix it. Sometimes it's better for me to just use my hands to fix it also. Okay, then you're just gonna pinch it.
I'm literally the only person that I know that puts on lashes with their eyes open. Everybody that I know like closes their eye and like puts it on, but like when I close my eye and do it, it's never on right. So I have to leave my eyes open so I can actually see what I'm doing, and you know, just gonna keep pinching so that it's perfect. And there you have it. So just a close-up so you can see like, but yeah, so now y'all know how to put on your lashes like a pro. And yeah, so here's the lashes again. And like I was saying, you really cannot see where my real eyelashes and the fake eyelashes are because of this technique that you use. You just put it slightly above your eye. So again, Kairos Kollection.